Okay, hello. This is a different coffee machine than I talked to you about yesterday. It is a little older one. That's all the info. So I've gotten a water leakage error out of this over the years, and basically I've just always taken these. It always seemed to come from this left side. I would take those off, clean up the lime scale from, that builds up into there. I have another coffee machine. I've never had to do that, but this particular machine, it seems like I did that. However, this year didn't seem to work. It would come back quite a few times. So the leakage, I'd go down here and it would be dripping from this hose, one of the two hoses or both that lead to those two selections on the left. So I called Vennet, got the replacement I can't remember what you guys call those, and installed them. Now you can see how they look different than this. This is what came out of these slots. They told me that this is the only one they sell, which it actually matches the ones on the right, but so I put those in, seemed to be the thing, but then a few days go by, we get another water leakage here. And I come over today and look at this. It's dripping from down in the bottom, which means it's coming out of that seal. So the question is there in fact another one of these that should be in there, or is this really the only one you sell? And if that's the case, I need to fill this gap here, this seal, better. So how can I do that? Can I use a sealant that goes in there? Still allows me to pull this out if I ever needed to, but how can I fill that gap? And here's the other thing that doesn't make sense to me is that this bucket, this is only a week's worth. I mean, we've got 5 inches of water in there. So if it's only leaking from here, it has to be leaking out of here too. Now all of these feel completely dry underneath here. So how am I getting all of this water in here? Is there something else going on? I'm gonna hit flush brewer and see what happens, because the only thing else I can think of is this just maybe this particular machine is, I know it's set to auto flush twice a day. Would that be that much water in there? Is that why? I suppose that could be the case. It does send out quite a bit of water. Yeah, maybe that's it. But the main issue, I think, unless you think something's going on right there, is this. How can I fix that? Thanks.